First of all, we are going to Microsoft PowerPoint. Just we need to open this one. Just click it. Then you're gonna open like the Microsoft PowerPoint. So it's look like this. We need to go to blank presentation first. Just click that on. Then it's gonna open and the blank presentation is like this. Okay. So what we need to do is set is click to add title, and here is subtitle. We don't need it. Just select this one and delete it. Okay. So now it's totally blank. Okay. So right hand side you can see we have some designer. So that means it's like design. You can choose any design from here, or you can go to picture and you can see photo browser and picture from file. Okay, so anything you can get from here, and another on set is a stock image, and last on online pictures. So I gonna show you today is online pictures on, not other. So I gonna click that on online pictures. Then you can see this right hand side. You can search any picture, or you can go suppose background. If you click background, you have lots of background in here. You can choose any background from here, or you can search in here YouTube PNG. Suppose I gonna write down YouTube PNG because I am making YouTube thumbnail, so I need the YouTube PNG one of the photo or something like that. So I gonna choose from here which one I like. It's look like this one, look like perfect YouTube. I gonna insert this one. Just click and insert it, and when you insert it, gonna come to your canvas. So it's online picture. This is your canvas. You can see YouTube PNG in here. Bit bottom you can see some written. Just click select that one and delete. That's it. Now you're gonna click this one. You can organize this one anyhow you like, or you have some design on the right hand side. If you go to right hand side, you can see lots of design in here. If you like, you can go to make it bit bigger, smaller, with like the some point you can see. Okay, and you can put like here and there, whatever. You can make some play around with that, because as it is PNG file, like the PNG photo, you can do anything. Background you can see is black now, before was white. So how I change that on, I'm gonna show you that. If you go to left hand side, okay, so this is the slide. If you click on your mouse on the left hand side, then you can go to bit down. You can see here is format background. You need to click format background. When you click that, this is the format. Okay, so format, first one says solid format, and you have some more. You can just check one by one which one is perfect for you for background. Okay, so this is the black, whatever I am using right now. You can change it whenever you want. So if I go to solid fill, and if I go in here, you can see the color. You can change any color you want. It's depend up to you. Suppose I choose red on, you can change your transparency like more, less, whatever you like, the transparency of your background color. Then I'm going to text and put in here, and I'm gonna write down some text. Suppose I'm gonna write down here YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so because this is the YouTube thumbnail, that's why I am writing YouTube thumbnail in here. Now you can see here is the round things. You can make anywhere like here and there. Okay, how many degrees you want to make it angle, you can do that from here, or you can select this whole writing, and you can go in here and you can make it format, any format you like. You have plenty of format. Suppose I gonna go to Georgia Pro and regular. Okay, so you can make this one like the size as well, like how big you want to get the size. Then you can go to the shape format. Just click that on. You can give any shape if you like. Suppose you're gonna open this one, and you can see here I gonna choose this one. You can choose any one. It's depend up to you. Okay, then if you come in here, you can see text field. You can make it no fill, or you can give any kind of fill. So suppose I gonna give right now is yellow. Then you can give a border. Suppose if you click this one, it's gonna go to border. You can give any border. Suppose I gonna give black right now. Okay, then if you go here, it said is you can give the shadow, reflection, glow, or lots of things in here. So you can have a look and play around with that, which one you want. You can make 3D rotation, transform, anything from here. So transform, you have lots of choices you can make from here. Okay, If you go to bevel, so you can make it like this shape. Suppose I gonna keep this shape, but what I gonna do, I gonna make this one, select this one, and I gonna put like the shape fill. So this shape I need to fill, so I select this one first, then I gonna go to shape fill, and you can choose anything from here. Okay, so suppose you can choose any picture, any color, or gradient, anything. So I am going to gradient, just click that one and select this. Now I gonna make it bit good like 3D. Suppose I gonna select this one and go to this one and bevel and make it like 3D, this kind of thing. So it's look like pretty awesome now. Okay, now you can move anywhere and any place you want. Suppose I gonna put in here, you can put in top, bottom, side, whatever you like. Okay, what I gonna do, it's look like pretty okay, but I think I need to change this one. If any time if you want to change it, just select this one, go to format again, and then you can choose any kind. Suppose I gonna choose this color, and I gonna put like the side fill with this one, like the border. Suppose maybe I gonna put yellow, so it's look like more professional. Okay, so it's look like more better than before. Now I gonna place this one in here, and it's I need to go to online picture, and I gonna take and again another picture. Suppose I gonna take now is cartoon PNG. So when I select cartoon PNG, searching, and you can see it's lots of cartoon PNG in here. So I have to choose one of them from there. So I like this one, I gonna select that and insert it. When I insert, it's coming in here. So it said downloading. Okay, it's download done. Now this is the cartoon, so you can resize it with corner, and you can hold it and take any position whatever you like. Okay, now this one, the writing, we don't need it, just select that one and delete it, easy. Okay, now I gonna resize it and make it bit professional. Okay, that's done. You can see you have some suggestion on the right hand side. You can take any suggestion from right hand side as well. So they already make some designer. Okay, so some design over there, so you can choose from there as well if you like. Okay, next on what I gonna do, I gonna put here suppose YouTube subscribe button. So I need to go to again to online picture. Make sure you have like the internet connection, otherwise you can't get it. So I gonna put subscribe PNG, then search it, and you can see lots of subscribe PNG in here. So I gonna choose this one. Okay, it says subscribability. That means this language is Spanish language, so it's same like subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here, and I need to delete the writing, I don't need it. Just select that one and delete the box. Okay, so I'm gonna put now bit resize and organize bit in here. You can make it resize whatever you like. You don't need to make anything, actually you have everything online. Just take, copy and paste or insert in here, then you need to organize this. Okay, you need to learn how to organize and make a professional thumbnail. Okay, it's look like now pretty okay. What I gonna do, I need to maybe reorganize bit in here. So I gonna put YouTube in here, and I gonna put one more things in here. So I gonna go to shape, and I gonna take this shape. Okay, click that on and put in here. Then I gonna reorganize this one, so you can resize it. Okay, whatever you like. Okay, so when you resize it, I gonna maybe write down something on the middle in here. So what I need to do, I need to go to home, then go to text. Okay, click text, then click in here, then I gonna write down suppose professional. So as I am making it's like the professional YouTube thumbnail, so that's why I gonna write down professional. Just I select this one. Similar, you can take any format and you can make any size you like. Okay, I gonna make it bit bigger size, then I gonna reorganize it. Okay, now I gonna make bit 3D shape or something like that. So go over there, go shape, preset, and I gonna take maybe this one. It's look like more professional 3D, something like that. Okay, now I gonna change maybe in the writing in here. I gonna make it texture like this. It's look like more professional. Okay, it's look like pretty awesome. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make it like the bit up and down, and I gonna show is like the professional, that means YouTube thumbnail. So make sure it's like the it's showing professional YouTube thumbnail, so that's why I put this one. Now I gonna put maybe another things to show you how you can put like the 3D any 3D things in here, suppose in here. Okay, for 3D things, what you need to do, you need to go to insert, and if you come in here, you can see 3D models. Click this on arrow and stock 3D models, just click that. You have plenty of 3D animation in here, so you can take anything from here. I gonna select maybe insect, and I gonna choose one of the insect from here, suppose maybe this one. Just select it and insert. When I insert it, it's come to my canvas. Then I gonna reorganize this one. You can move here, there, whatever you like. Okay, so when you make that on, and you can see this one look like is very, very awesome right now. So you can make your professional YouTube thumbnail like this from PowerPoint. Now I am gonna go to file, then I need to export it. If you go to file, then go to export, then you need to put as export as what's the name you want to give. Suppose I'm gonna put YouTube thumbnail. And where I gonna put this one is the desktop. And if you see the file format, you need to organize here. If you click here, you have the JPEG and PNG. You can choose any of these, but JPEG, it's make your file bit smaller and it doesn't look like pretty good. Go to PNG, then you can make it like the weight is 1920. Okay, it's depend up to you, but that's the high resolution. If you want to make it 1920 by 1080, that's the very good suggestion. Then you need to go to export. When you go to export, I'm gonna minimize this one and I'm gonna see it's exported or not. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one. You can see the very nice and clean professional thumbnail has been made. You can make your thumbnail like this and it will be very professional. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see this one, get information and how many kilobyte or megabyte this one. It's look like it's very good. It's now 905 kilobyte. So it's, you can upload to YouTube is less than 2 megabytes. So that means this is the perfect size for your YouTube thumbnail. So it's look like pretty awesome as well. If you see the file is bit bigger, you can make it not PNG, you can make it JPEG. Okay, so JPEG make more smaller. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any comments, so write down in the comment box and I'm gonna try to make reply your comment. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.